Hey y'all, I wanted to come to you real quick. Oh my gosh, I'm breaking out so bad. I'm telling you, being a girl sucks. You know, I didn't break out forever, and then all of a sudden now all I do is break out, and it sucks because I take really good care of my skin. It's fighting me right now. But I just went into my dentist. I got another red clasp on this side because I had one on this side and I was like, it just don't feel as tight as on this side. I wanted equal tightness. Great. I was supposed to have a cleaning today, but apparently they had me down for the wrong thing. So I go back June 12th to have my implants clean. June 12th is my year out of having everything done. So it's a perfect time. And like I said, I just got my bar put in again in March because they had to fix something. Or they had to fix the clasp, so they had to send the bar with it. So it got clean then. So to be honest with you, it's not that far away. So that was only 3.5, 4 months ago. So it's not like I've waited a year to clean my implants or anything like that. But I did find out something. I have Delta Dental Premier. I have the best, well, one of the best dental insurance. I pay I don't pay, my dad pays it for me. $30 a month for dental insurance. I've had it for 5 years. I have like $1,000 to use, whatever. I get, my appointments, taking care of all that. Well, I've come to find today that if you have implants and you get those cleaned, and you have to get them cleaned every either 3, 6 months, it's either 3 or 6, depending on what your dentist chooses, it's $90. Sometimes it's a little bit more expensive, especially if you don't have the insurance. It's like $130. So $130 every 6 months is what you're going to have to look at paying for maintenance for your implants, or $90, or whatever it is at your dentist office. At mine, it is $90. So $90 every 6 months, $90 every 3 months. It depends on what he's wanting to do. He's wanting to do every 6 months with me. I'm fine with that. But that's a hidden cost that I didn't know of. And it's not a big deal or anything, but automatically when you think that you're getting dental insurance, that it's going to be covered as a actual real cleaning, if you have teeth, is covered. That's preventative care. Well, this is not preventative care anymore because you don't have teeth. This is looking at a maintenance, and so the insurance doesn't pay for that. And I'm like, are you for real? Like, I did not know this going in. So I'm like, I guess it's important to know that, when you get implants or you lose your teeth. Now, that's not saying if you have dentures, because I don't think you have to go in to have cleanings for dentures because there's nothing to clean and you can clean your gums. But if you have implants, you're going to have to understand that you can't just get implants and be done with the dentist. So that's not how it works. He said you can get gum disease around your implants, and then that'll make everything loose, and you don't want that. You don't want all that money you spent to go down the drain. So it's very important to keep your hygiene good, and it's very important to keep your teeth cleaned, and go get teeth cleaned. What, baby? Look at her. So yeah, I mean, I didn't know this. I did not know this going in. So, it's really important to know of everything that's going to have to happen with implants and all of that before going in and doing this. With hybrids, I'm pretty sure it's more expensive to do those cleanings than $90, but I'm not sure. You can't quote me. So like I said, I come back on June 12th to have my bar removed, my implants cleaned, put back in, and then blah, blah, blah. I had originally planned to have a consult today. Their x-ray machines are down right now, and I told them not to worry about it. I don't have to have implants right now. Obviously, I don't have the funds to pay for me to have upper implants right now. I just don't have $8,000 to throw at my teeth. Everything is great with these. I don't need to do anything right now. I'm going to take a year away from doing anything dental, let everything kind of heal, or well, it'd be 2 years, because I've had these almost 1 year, and just not have to do it, because the last year I have spent, I don't even want to know how many times at the dentist, quite a bit. So I'm looking forward to not having to go to the dentist all the time. Not that I don't love them, I love them to death, but it's just a hassle having to constantly come out here and do appointments when you have kids, and do their appointments. You see my nice little drawing my daughter drew for me. But I just want to get on here and just let you guys know, that when you get implants, cost doesn't stop there. There's maintenance involved. Not only that, but every 10 years, well, it depends. You're supposed to get new teeth made. So I mean, it doesn't stop. The payment doesn't stop. You're gonna have to have some maintenance. But I'm gonna go home. It's nasty outside. Love Kentucky weather. Try to get rid of these. Anybody know any tips for hormonal acne at 31? Like, I didn't ever have pimples, and now all of a sudden it seems to be normal when my hormones are kind of going skyrocket. It's really unfair. But I'll talk to you guys later. Hope you have a great weekend, and I'll try to make some more videos this weekend. And I guess that's it. Bye.